How has today been? Still stuck in the past? Have you been procrastinating again? Anxious about the future? Don't know where to begin? Whatever you do, you feel the void. Has the stress become monotony? The void that eats you every day, this feeling of nothingness, a constant agony. Just waiting to take a leap that you always wanted to. Waiting for likes on Instagram, dealing with hate on Facebook. Switching between the apps and questioning your self-worth. Positivity seems a myth. Is there no other way to look? Why do you contemplate on others' expectations of you? Why do you cage yourself with the bars of insecurity? Even if the void has taken over you, have you lost yourself completely? Is there no closure to your recurring thoughts? It has been more cold than it has been warm. They say every cloud has a silver lining, but all you see is an awaiting storm. Your room has become your den. Even without a room, a forest of your thoughts surround you anyway. There is still work left undone, waiting to be done on a day after today, every day. Yes, you may have a cause. Yes, you may find it the easy way. But every caterpillar one day becomes a butterfly, even when they think hope has said goodbye. So go back to all those days you stayed put, one day after another without those lies. Remember, you are strong and perfect. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Your family loves you without any conditions. Your friends have waited for you to smile. You still haven't explored the thrill of talking to a stranger on the train. That journey can definitely take you miles. Even though the void is a little too noisy some days, allow yourself to take a break from the clutter. Not one, not 10. There are probably 100 ways for you to make yourself feel better. Yes, there will be storms, those gloomy days, those dark clouds. Not new. But only after a rainy day do rainbows emerge, and that's when you will discover you. Plenty are unanswered questions. But quitting is not an answer to any, believe. To live, you will find reasons many, but not one is justified enough for you to leave. You started this journey long ago, but this halt is not your end. Move on. A new journey is yet to begin. A new journey that needs to go on. So, how has today been?